How to use Tricone Bit appropriately. Do you really use the Tricone bit? Do you need to replace drilling tools frequently? Slow progress? High consumables? Projects often stop because of drill bit problems? If you have such confusion, please read today's content. How to use Tricone Bit appropriately. This channel mainly shares some professional knowledge about Tricone Bit, including production, application, maintenance, and other content. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and turn on the little bell. You will not miss more drilling tools related information. If this video is helpful to you, you are also welcome to like and collect the video so that it will not be lost. If you have any insights and questions about my content while watching the video, please leave a message in the comment area and I will reply to your questions as soon as possible. Okay, let's get started without further ado. How to use Tricone Bit appropriately. 1. Choose the drill bit types appropriately. 1. According to the lithology of the drilled formation, the following principles should be followed when selecting the type of drill bit. A. In the shallow well section where the rock is cemented and loose, the drilling speed of the drill bit and the prevention of mud packs should be considered. B. In the deep well section where the trip is long, the footage of the drill bit should be considered. C. When the outer row teeth of the drill bit out of the well are severely worn, a bit with gauge teeth should be used. D. In the easy deviating well section, a bit with small slip and many short teeth should be used. E. Wedge-shaped tooth drills should be used when selecting insert drills. F. For diamond limestone, it is advisable to use double cone tooth and projectile-shaped tooth drill bits. G. When there is more shale in the formation or the density of drilling fluid is higher, a bit with a larger slip amount should be selected. H. When the stratum is limestone or sandstone, and a bit with a smaller slip amount should be selected. I. When drilling hard and highly abrasive stratum, it is advisable to use pure rolling button and double bevel bit. 2. In order to optimize the hydraulic parameters of Tricone bit, the longer nozzle and unequal diameter combined nozzle bit should be preferred. You may be interested in Tricone bit's manufacturers and get more information. 2. Inspection of a drill bit before drilling. 1. Check whether the model and diameter of selected bit meet the requirements. 2. Carefully check whether the thread, weld and teeth of the drill are in good condition. 3. Check whether the nozzle is installed firmly and the water hole should be unblocked. When rotating the cone of the rock bit by hand, the bearing seal should be intact. The pressure compensation system of the drill bit should be intact, and the pressure relief hole should not be blocked. 3. Matters needing attention when a drill bit enters the well. 1. After cleaning the drill thread, apply special thread oil. 2. Choose a suitable loading and unloading device, and do not jerk when the drill bit is put into the loading and unloading device. 3. Tighten according to the specified torque. 4. The drilling operation should be stable, and no hard pressure should be encountered in case of resistance. Drilling of the insert bit should be slow to avoid damage to the alloy teeth in the hard formation and irregular hole. 5. When drilling down and encountering an obstruction, the depth of the well, the situation and time of the obstruction should be noted, so as to determine the cause of the obstruction and control the working time. 6. Drill down to a certain distance to the bottom of the well, a single route. The pump should be turned on and the turntable should be slowly lowered. It is strictly forbidden to go down to the bottom to open the pump. 4. Precautions for drilling of a drill bit. 1. The new drill bit should be run in lightly for about half an hour, and then gradually increased to the specified WOB, and it is strictly forbidden to pressurize to start the turntable. 2. Concentrate and deliver the drill evenly when operating the brake lever to prevent accidents of slipping and sudden drills. 3. During roller bit drilling, the changes in lithology and the working conditions of the bit should be analyzed at any time according to the change of the drill pair and the operation of the bit, and the drilling parameters should be adjusted in time. 5. Determine the starting time of a drill bit. 1. Determine according to the wear of the bearing and teeth, the phenomenon of bearing damage. The turntable has periodic jumps. If the bit pressure is small, the jump is light. If the bit pressure is big, the jump is heavy. The drilling speed drops. The pump pressure is normal but the pointer of the weight indicator swings. 2. The phenomenon of cone jamming. The load on the turntable increases. The turntable chain jumps. The Kelly rod is crappy. The turntable is stopped and the car is reversed. The drilling speed drops. The weight indicator pointer swings severely. 3. The phenomenon of tooth grinding, stripping. The load of the turntable is reduced. The Kelly does not jump. The drilling speed is significantly reduced or there is no footage. The weight indicator indicates smooth and no swing. The pump pressure is normal. Learn more about PDC core bit, rock reamer, tooth bit, polycrystalline diamond drill bits, mining drill bit, etc. Please click on the contact information on my homepage to get in touch with us. In addition, I have summarized a complete set of Drilling Tools industry application encyclopedia PDF documents, which can be obtained for free by clicking the link in the description. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. I will continue to share more valuable drilling tools related content. Now I want to hear your opinions. What do you think of Tricone Bit? Let's discuss it together in the comment area.